No, this is not the Krusty Krab. This is Patrick.
I told him I like my shit.
So I just did my eyebrows. I have the fake slits in them. I do not cut my eyebrows, actually. I don't do little cat scratches, whatever they call them. I'm going to show you what I do. And you probably just be like, really? That's all she doing? Like, that's not going to work. And look, trust me, like, look. Look at my eyebrows. Like, it's not a hair in sight under, like, my actual eyebrow line. So I'm doing something right. I mean, trust me, daddy. But anyway, that's not the point. I want to show you how to do this cool look or whatever. You know, get your little stylish edge on with the little faux slits, and you're gonna be good. So, just watch this video. To start off, I dab my eyebrows with witch hazel, and then I slowly start to go in with the razor. And as you can see, I'm just lightly brushing against my hairline. And I'll keep doing that over and over, just slightly brushing. And soon all the hairs around my eyebrows will thin out with the razor. This technique totally works for me. I've never been to the nail salon to get my eyebrows waxed, never thread or anything. I just constantly just brush slightly against my hairline with the razor. As you can see, the hair, it actually really does clean up my brows. I'll be using concealer, a concealer brush, Anastasia Beverly Hills dip pomade, spoolie, and angled brush. We're going to start brushing out your eyebrows into the desired shape. Get some dip pomade, slightly just start brushing against your hairline. And then I always add my tail for the arch. To get perfect brows, you have to outline your whole eyebrow first. So don't go in with the dip pomade in the middle or anything. Just outline it first. And make sure you go in after on the arch. And I kind of leave my middle so it looks more natural. But on the arch, I usually go in with the pomade more, so it's defined there. As you can see, I'm doing very slight, gentle strokes. I'm not like just pressing the brush against my eyebrows. Now they're outlined, so onto the concealer. So just go in with the concealer on the edge and hairline of your eyebrows. I just outline it ever so lightly, not too much, but not too little. And I can always go back in with concealer. So when I'm actually outlining my brows in the pomade, I'm not really worried about mistakes because the concealer can always help out. I'll connect the concealer in the middle so the brows are even. For the slits, I get a thin concealer brush and dab it really lightly with concealer on my eyebrows. I'll just go in with it a few times so it gets opaque. To get precise cuts, you need a thin concealer brush. I start to clean the excess concealer with water and witch hazel for moisture. Now I go in with a brush to smooth out the concealer line. After the brush, I go in with my pinky to really smooth out the concealer. Now I use my spoolie to blend out the middle of the brow. Make sure you do thumbs up because weirdos do thumbs down, and make sure you subscribe. Okay? Thank you guys.